All right, now let's take a look at this problem here. So a recipe says that spring rolls will serve three people. Complete the table. Is that similar to? No, it's a little bit different. So once again, what we're gonna do is, this seems like pretty important information here. And one thing that I told you guys that I recommend you guys do is always draw it out. So I'm gonna do 3 spring rolls. I got spring roll, spring roll, spring roll, 6 spring roll, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my spring roll. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's fine. And then it's gonna serve 3 people. So this time my people are just gonna be little circles because it takes forever to draw them. And so this is what we learned. So 6 rolls, 6 rolls, 6 rolls is proportional, or has the ratio of 3 people. But we can actually group them. If you can see, I got 1 person and 2 spring roll, another person, 2 spring roll, and another person, spring roll. So that kind of looks like 3 faces, right? Doesn't this look like a face? Anyways, so I got three it kind of looks like scary faces. Anyways, this means that I got 2 rolls per 1 person, which makes sense. Watch, if I divide this by 2, I actually divide this by 3 and divide this by 3, then this is going to get 6 divided by 3 is 2 rolls, and 3 divided by 3 is just 1 person, so 1 person, which makes sense. If you take a look, 1 person represents 2 rolls, and so I just divided this group into 3s, right? And so I divided 3 people into 3 groups, and then I divided 6 rolls into 3 groups as well. And so so obviously I got 6 spring rolls is equal to 3 people. Then how about 30 spring rolls, right? 30 spring rolls. Now it's gonna take a while for me to draw the entire thing, but I'm gonna do it because I want you guys to see it visually as well. But I'm gonna just do it mathematically. So I got 6 rolls. So 6 rolls represent also you can actually do this. You can put it into a fraction if you like. So 6 rolls is equal to 3 people. Okay, so we're talking about how many number of people are we talking about? Or rolls. We're talking about 30 rolls, right? I have 6 rolls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually multiply the top by 5 and the bottom by 5. And that's going to give me 6 rolls gives me 30 rolls, right? 30 rolls. 30 rolls. 30 rolls. And 3 people times 5 is 15 people. 15 people, right? Which makes sense, right? If 1 person gets 2 rolls, right? Each person gets 2 rolls. Then if there were 30 rolls, right? Then I'll get the half number. You half that, and that'll give you the number of people. So 15 people, like I said right here. But if you want to see it visually, I will show it to you here. It's going to take a little bit, but I think it's worth the drawing. So I wanted 30 spring rolls, right? So that is, currently I have 6 spring rolls here. So I'm gonna resize this, make it a little smaller. Okay. And I'm gonna copy, I'm gonna paste. There you go. So that's 6 spring rolls, that's 12 spring rolls together. 18, 24, and 30. This is kind of scary. Look at all these faces. Anyways. So if you take a look, I have 30 spring rolls. I got 6 spring rolls here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So I have 30 spring rolls here. And then the number of people I have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So I have 15 people, right? Like we got right here. So that's how you can use this drawing to help you out, right? And then now let's take a look at the number of spring rolls with 40, right? 40 spring rolls, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this one because it's just more simple. I'm gonna do 2 roles. So 2 roles is equal to 1 person. 1 person. Which means that if I have 40 spring rolls, right? 2 times what is equal to 40? 2 times what? 2 times 20 is equal to 40, right? And whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. And then you get 40 rolls over 20 people. So the answer is going to be 20 people here. Now, if you want to see the proof of it, so I got, so I have 6 spring rolls. So I got, what is it? This was 30, right? So 30 spring rolls, right? This would make it 33 spring rolls, 36 spring rolls, and 42 spring rolls, right? So just to double check, 6, 12, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 6 is 48. So that's actually not what I want. So I'm going to get rid of one of these. So let's do that now. So I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 6 is 42. So I have 42 spring rolls here, right? If you just pause the video and you literally count each spring roll, that'll be 42, right? That's the power of multiplication. But I don't want 42, right? I want 40, right? So if I don't want 42, I want 40, then all I need to do is erase this part here. Now I have 40 spring rolls, right? And then if I get rid of the spring roll, I also have to get rid of the person because I want 40 spring rolls, right? So then I have 40 spring rolls. So I got 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and then 37, 38, 39, 40. So I have 40 spring rolls, which means how many people? I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and then 20, and then 20 people right there. So basically, this is, this is the visual, right, aspect of it. And it just takes a little bit more time. But I think it is important for you to see visually how this multiplication works here. And then now finally, we got number of people. So you can actually just do this if you want to. You don't have to put the person always on the bottom. You could also put it on top. You could go 2 people, right? Or 1 person gets 2 rolls, right? Which means if I have 28 people, so I have to multiply the top by 28. And that is going to equal to 28 people. 28 people. And 2 rolls. That's going to be 56 rolls. Right? So that's going to be 56 rolls. And you can try it out, the visual. It is going to take a little bit, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's going to take 48. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit. So you can try it yourself. I encourage you to try it yourself. And I think it is important to see it visually. But for this, for the sake of time with this video, I'm not going to do that. But this is the mathematical way of doing it, but also this is the visual way of doing it. I think both are important. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.